South African cities hardly feature when it comes to a ranking looking at inclusive growth, where the spoils of a growing economy are shared by the rich and the poor. Accra in Ghana, Casablanca in Morocco and Freetown in Sierra Leone make up the top three.
Accra indeed has had one great benefit of having great security. And people can move very freely in Accra and engage in all kinds of businesses in the city. And I think this is indeed quite positive.
The city's growth index was released at the African Knowledge Forum in Johannesburg. Speakers have argued that Africa has more clout in the world than ever before, but the notion that Africa will continue to rise is not a given. They say that growth can be stalled by policies that tie the hands of business. And to ensure that growth is sustainable, it has to be inclusive.
On the basis of economic analysis, you would like to have economic growth that is sustainable. And sustainability has to do with a lot more people with rising income who can spend a lot more, supporting more businesses, and so on and so forth, as opposed to a small elite, right, that capture the majority of the fruit of an expanding economy.
Dr. Yua Hedrick Wong says South Africa can learn from China that focused on labour-intensive industries first, which allowed workers to develop their skills. Now that China is moving to mechanisation and focusing on industrial robotics, we have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to hook into its global supply chain and create jobs. Francis Hurd, SABC News.